everyone, welcome back to Crazy Nails. So in today's video I will be showing you the nail art foils set that I got from store 2508 on Amazon. Okay, so let's get started. This nail art foil set contains everything that you need for doing your nails with the foils. There is one top coat, base coat, one adhesive, one acrylic stone, one glitter, one bead, one wooden cuticle stick or orange stick, whatever you call it, one plastic stick, foil designs. Okay, so this is the packaging. This is how it looks. It is pretty nice packaging and showcases all the details that can tell you more about this packaging. This is also a great gifting idea, I think. I mean, someone who wants to gift something to me, people like me who loves nail art. I think this will be great one for us. So this box contains like all the things that you need for doing your nails with the nail art foils. If you are a beginner, I think this is a great product for you. The price is $4.99, so I think it's pretty affordable and everyone can try it. So let me show you what's inside the box. So this is the box from inside, and you can see it literally has like everything that one can need for doing their nails. And the best part I like about this box is it has magnetic click. See, so if you want to like store it, you can store it like that, and it stays intact. It's good for like traveling as well. If you're like traveling to a wedding or some event, you can carry it with you and do your nails instantly. So let me show you. This box contains like 6 foils. The quantity is pretty nice as well. You can see foil quantity is pretty nice. The length is pretty nice. Then there are 3 beads. This one is the glass bead. This one is the black glitter one. I really like the glitter. And this one is the caviar beads. We all love caviar beads, don't we? I mean, I was obsessed with the caviar beads once upon a time when they initially came in the market. I used to like cover my nails and then enjoy the nail art. Okay, then apart from that, it contains one applicator. It has a rubber tip which helps in proper, like, gives you a nice addition to giving you a nice grip over your application. And then there's this orange stick or cuticle stick. Okay, and apart from these, there is this top coat which you can also use as a base coat. Quantity is 8 ml. Then the most important thing, there is the adhesive. This is also 8 ml, and you have to like apply this over your nail polish or bare nails to stick these foils on the nail. Okay, without this I think you can also do it with like a semi sticky nail polish, but it will not be as vibrant or as properly done as you expect the adhesive to do it for you. Okay, so let me show you how it looks and works. I have already prepared the hand. Okay, so yeah, I've applied adhesive on these these 3 fingers, fully covering these 2 and partially covering this one. Let me show you how it looks. So this is the adhesive. You can see this is a little runny. You have to like apply a very very thin coat over your nail so that it is like barely there and dries up pretty fast. So you have to like wait for it to dry. Once it has dried up, you can apply the foil on it and complete the nail art. So let's use this one. You have to open the tape over here. uh, Let me do it and come back. Okay, so we have removed the tape. This is how the foil looks. I think some prints are not good, and uh, few portion is missing, but maybe it's because the outer layer. I hope the inside layer is fine. So let me show you. You can cut the foil if you want to make the application easy, but if you want, you can just apply it like that. You can see over here the adhesive has started to fade away. The whiteness has faded away and it looks more clearer now. This is how it works. The adhesive will become clear after the application once it has dried up. Only it will be a little sticky, not a lot but slightly sticky, so that it can hold the foil properly. Okay, so let me show you. So let's start. You have to put the foil over your nail like this so that the entire design has covered it up, and then wait, slightly rub the design. While doing so, you can also use the applicator. Gently rub it so that the entire print can be transferred on the nail. If you are someone who's doing the nail for the first time, I think it will take some practice to do this. Okay, so now once you have done, gently remove the foil. Can you see? The print has come here. Some portion which was missed on the foil is but you can like apply it like this. This is how it looks. Let me show you on the clear one. Let's use another foil. Okay, so we are using this one, glittery animal print. Apply it over the nail gently. Use the applicator. Please forgive my sore throat. I have really bad sore throat from past few days. And then remove the foil. You can do a partial print like this to make the nail look really good, or you can cover the nail completely. It depends on you how you like it. It's quite easy, quite easy, let me show you how to do partial one like this. This is how you do the partial print, and they look amazing. And the best part of it is you don't waste away your foil print. अगर आपके foil पे थोड़ा बहुत भी design बचा हुआ है ना, just use it like for a partial print. Don't throw it away. ऐसे आप उसको use कर लो. Okay, see how beautiful this is looking. And if you want to just cover the center portion, do it like that. See, it's so easy and very convenient to do. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक इस छोटे से पीस के साथ आप आई थिंक अपने 3-4 नेल कवर अप कर सकते हो आराम से. सो इट्स गोइंग टू लास्ट फॉर लाइक अ लॉन्ग टाइम. and you can like jazz it up with these beads that they have included in the packaging. You can like make your nail art look better. Also the thing is, these foils are very sensitive, so make sure that you store them properly. अगर आप इनको properly store नहीं करोगे, I'll suggest that कि आप इसको इस box में ही रखें, और some place where they don't like किसी चीज़ से ऐसे rub ना हो, otherwise cause this is like आराम से ये सारा जो foil है ना, foil print है, ये पूरा ख़राब हो जाएगा, especially the metallic ones, cause ये बहुत sensitive होता है and they can like come up like this and the foil will be damaged and you don't want that, right? So इसको properly आप store करें and look how beautiful this is looking. And once it has like settled down अच्छे से, अपने हाथ से उसको थोड़ा सा टैप करके properly उसको settle कर लें design को. And once it's done, you can like use the top coat to seal your nail art. I have shown you here इसको white background पे as well as on dark background, but I will suggest that you use black background for the metallic foil and white background for other colors, so that it stands out. Like over here I've used it on a black sorry black background, and it's not looking that good as I expected it to be, but this metallic one is looking really nice on the white one as well as on the black one, right? So I will suggest you to do it like that, or use on any color that you want, preferably dark backgrounds. Also this top coat is so nice, it glides so well, and apply very thin layer, you don't need a lot, apply a very thin layer and it doesn't like उसको रब नहीं किया उसने, डिज़ाइन को बिल्कुल ख़राब नहीं किया, and it has like it's looking so nice the way you want it on your nail, right? And it's looking beautiful. Next time I will do it on my nail and I will show it to you on my Instagram channel, so please go and subscribe and follow me on the social channels. The links are in the description. I will also post the link of this product that I got from Amazon. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you loved it, and do try it. It's a must for beginners. I think you are going to definitely enjoy the product, because I'm going to use it a lot, I'm really going to use it a lot. It's so easy. आपको ना नेल आर्ट करने की टेंशन लेनी है, ना नेल पॉलिश अप्लाई करने की टेंशन लेनी है. Just use the foil and it'll cover up your nail. So thank you for watching. I hope you like the review, and for the beginners I will suggest that you read all these tips and all the instructions that are given over here, which is the best thing about Store 2508. It gives the attention to beginners, beginners को वो पूरी डिटेल देते हैं, पूरा इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं, so that they can read and they can do the nail art. So read all these and you will be a pro at applying foils. It's so easy. Make sure to cut it in smaller portions, so that like this, ताकि आप उसको easily handle कर सकें. If you are like a beginner, it's like a simple tip for you. For beginners, make sure to cut it in smaller portions according to the size of your nails, or a slightly bigger from your nail, like this one, this strip. It's easy to use and you can like use it on multiple nails easily. Okay, so this gives you a grip on the foil better, and you can make it work better instead of using the roll directly on your nail. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this review, and if you have any questions, any doubts, do ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer all of them at my best. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, and bye. Good night.